Wow, it's so pretty. Hi, I'm Jordan Sparks. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the brand new Apple iPhone SE. This is the Apple iPhone SE in product red. It says on the Apple website, this color makes a difference. Choose red, save lives. Now through September 30th, Apple is partnering with Red to redirect 100% of eligible proceeds from product red purchases to the Global Fund's COVID-19 response. This will provide critical support in health systems most threatened by the outbreak and in turn help preserve life-saving HIV/AIDS programs in sub-Saharan Africa. So essentially, if you pick product red, you can buy yourself a new iPhone and do a good thing at the same time. So I got the 128GB Apple iPhone SE. This ran me $669 Canadian. They also offer a 64GB and a 256GB depending on what your storage needs are. And if you want Apple Care, that's an additional $119 Canadian. So I'm just going to open it using this clear flap here. Opens super easy. This came in about 4 days using UPS. So you get this little thing on top. Inside it says product red, and then you get your stickers. This is what the box looks like. Has a little tab to take out your iPhone right there. Oh, what? Oh, I was so confused. I was like, what? It comes with AirPods? Why were they selling these for like $300 separately? Okay, so it actually comes with headphones. I had no idea. I didn't know that you could actually use corded headphones with these new iPhones. So apparently you can, and apparently they just plug in where the adapter would plug in. So that's something that I was questioning about purchasing a new iPhone for several years actually, because I didn't want to have a new iPhone that didn't have the headphone jack because I wasn't on board with AirPods yet. This is what the beautiful iPhone looks like. It is so pretty. Still has the plastic on it. And then in the box you get the charger and charging cable. Wow, it's so pretty. I'm so happy. I've been wanting this phone since as soon as I heard about it, and especially since I saw the red one, I was like, I need to have it. So I'm just going to pop my SIM card out of my old iPhone SE using a little red earring. There's the SIM card there. Pop open the slot here on the new iPhone SE. They both take the micro SIM card, tiny one here. Now to turn it on for the first time, I believe this is the power button here on the side. There it goes. So it says hello. Select your language, so I'm just gonna click English. Select your country, Canada. So it has the option to bring your iPad or iPhone near this one to set up. So it shows up on my old phone. I'm gonna go unlock to continue. Set up new iPhone. So that's super cool. You can just easily switch over everything from your old phone to your new one. So this new iPhone SE actually does take the exact same kind of charging cable as the old iPhone SE. So if you are switching over like I am, then you're gonna have an extra charger. All right, so essentially it quoted me that it was going to take 20 minutes to set up my phone. Now we're just going through Siri and it's asking me to do a couple things so that it can set up Siri. So right now it says, "Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music." So essentially it was just telling me what to say on screen in order to enable Siri. And now it's going to transfer all of my data over, it says, from one phone to the other. You're supposed to just keep your new phone close to your old phone while it does this. And while we're at it, we can compare screen sizes. As you can see, the screen on the Apple iPhone SE2 is just slightly bigger than the old iPhone SE. And comparing width, they are literally almost exactly the same width. The old one is maybe a millimeter or two wider and it's just more square on the outside, and this one is round. So it says it'll take about 13 minutes to transfer, and then it says 22 minutes here. So it's gonna take about 20 minutes, so I will see you guys in a minute. And the iPhone transfer is officially complete. It took about 20 minutes, but it transferred absolutely everything over, even my old screensaver. So at this point in the video, I just wanted to compare the cameras and show you guys the kind of quality difference between the two phones. So this is the video quality on the old iPhone SE using the back camera. Now this is the video quality using the front camera on the old iPhone SE. Keep in mind this is obviously under studio lighting with 2 softboxes and a ring light, and obviously the camera on this old iPhone SE doesn't perform as well in low light settings. So this is the front facing camera on the iPhone SE 2020 edition. The difference is between the iPhone SE 2016 edition, that one had a 1.2 megapixel front facing camera, and this 2020 edition actually has a 7 megapixel front-facing camera. Now, both of them have a 12 megapixel back-facing camera, but check out the difference in quality. So this here is the quality of the back-facing camera on the new iPhone SE 2020, and honestly, I am super impressed. And that is it for this video. Let me know what you guys thought of the new iPhone SE 2 product red down in the comments below. I am super excited about this new phone and about the camera quality difference. That is the main thing that I'm super excited about. Let me know if you guys are considering the iPhone SE down in the comments below. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a great big thumbs up. Smash that juicy red subscribe button for more videos here on my channel. And as always, make sure to be weird, be wild, and stay sparkly, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!